My name is Rain, and I am a student at Blue Stamp Engineering. And the starter project I made is the Theremin. Now, the Theremin is an instrument that you can play without actually touching it, and this is done through the principle that a flow of electrons will create a magnetic field. And the idea is that when I move my hand toward the antenna, it will, create a sound. So here's the basics of how it works. The theremin runs on the difference of frequencies between fixed oscillation, or like fixed wavelength, and the difference between that and variable oscillation, or wavelength that keeps changing. The fixed oscillation is created just by the circuit inside the circuit board. That wavelength stays the same and its frequency stays the same. The variable oscillation is varied by moving your hand away and toward the antenna. So the antenna has circuit flowing through it, and this circuit has like a cloud of magnetic energy sort of surrounding it here. The idea is that your whole body has electrical energy inside it, and when your hand, which has an electrical energy as well, moves toward the antenna, the magnetic field around the antenna will be affected by the electrical energy inside your body. And when that happens, the wavelength frequency changes. So the two chips here basically sense the frequency, or measure the frequency, of the fixed oscillation and the variable oscillation, and the difference of those two are extracted and amplified through the speaker right here. And there's LEDs here also that correspond with the sounds.
Record, and you can take it from there. Did you want to be, so you want it to be in the video, or you want to just do the...
Just this.
Okay. Great. Cool. I'm ready.
Alright, so now I'm going to show the two modes that Theremin can operate in. There's continuous and discrete. So when you put the battery into the battery snap, it starts out in continuous mode. And continuous mode is basically when you move your hand farther and closer to the antenna, the noise it makes is kind of like a sliding of notes. There's not really any individual notes that can be heard. But once you press these two buttons simultaneously, it switches over to discrete mode, which means that a single octave of notes can be played, and they're all discrete. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. So continuous mode is something like that. And discrete So there's actually, if for some reason the second LED was causing, it was acting sort of like a switch where the modes would switch automatically. So I tried to take that out, and it seems to be fixing the problem.